Speak English with confidence every day. Welcome to Speak Easy English Talks, where your dream of speaking fluent, natural English becomes reality. If you ever felt nervous about speaking English, if your mind goes blank when someone says, "Tell me about yourself," this lesson is made for you. Speaking English is not about knowing every word in the dictionary. It's about confidence, connection, and communication. When you practice small conversations every day, your English grows stronger, and so does your confidence. So today we will explore 150 simple, useful, and real conversation questions and answers you can use in everyday life. At school, at work, while traveling, or just chatting with friends. Remember, the more you speak, the more you grow. The more you listen, the more you know one. The power of practice. English learning is like planting a seed. You can't see results overnight, but with daily practice, you will grow into a confident speaker. Every hello, every how are you helps you move forward. Try this. Each morning, look in the mirror and speak one of today's English questions aloud. Then answer it in your own words. That's called active conversation practice. And it's one of the fastest ways to improve your fluency. Number 2. Why conversation practice works. Conversation is the heart of a language. When you practice with questions and answers, you train your brain to think in English, not just translate. Think of it like exercising a muscle. Every dialogue strengthens your fluency muscles: listening, speaking, grammar, and pronunciation. And the best part? You don't need a partner. You can practice alone, shadowing with your favorite videos or repeating after teachers like me here on Speak Easy English Talks. 3. Everyday English conversations with examples. Let's explore real-life conversation patterns from your script and learn how to make them natural, emotional, and fun. Talking about yourself. What's your name? My name is Nick. Where are you from? I'm from New York. Tip. Add emotion. Say it with a smile. Hi, I'm Nick. Nice to meet you. Talking about work or school. What do you do for work? I'm a teacher. What do you study? I'm majoring in computer science. Say it proudly. Every answer is a step toward confidence. Talking about family. Do you have siblings? Yes, I have a brother. How's your family doing? They're doing well, thank you. Practice politeness. It shows warmth and respect, two important parts of good communication. Talking about travel. Do you like to travel? Yes, I enjoy exploring new places. Have you ever been abroad? Yes, I've been to Italy. You can add details. Yes, I visited Rome last summer. It was beautiful. Talking about hobbies and free time. What are your hobbies? I like cooking. Do you play any musical instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. Practice expanding. I love playing the guitar after work. It helps me relax. Talking about daily life. What time do you go to school? I go to school at 7 a.m. How do you relax? I watch TV or read books. When practicing, speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. You're training your mouth and brain together. That's real fluency. 4. English is your passport to the world. Every question you answer connects you to millions of people around the world. English opens doors for jobs, travel, education, and friendship. When you can say, "Hi, how are you?" to someone from another country and they smile back, that's power. So keep practicing. Your English is not bad, it's growing. Remember, fluency isn't about perfection. It's about communication. Number 5. Practice with purpose. The 3-step system. Here's how to make your English conversation practice effective. Step 1. Listen. Watch English videos, podcasts, or conversations, like this one. Listen carefully. Step 2. Repeat, shadowing. Say every sentence after the speaker with the same tone and rhythm. That's called shadowing. It's how actors, singers, and language masters train their voice. Step 3. Respond. Don't just repeat, answer. If someone says, "Do you like pizza?" reply with your own idea, "Yes," especially with extra cheese. 6. How to stay motivated every day. Sometimes you'll feel tired. Sometimes you'll forget words. That's okay. Fluency doesn't come from speed. It comes from consistency. Here's a secret. Even 5 minutes a day of real speaking practice is more powerful than 5 hours once a week. Make English part of your life. Think in English when shopping or walking. Write your thoughts in English. Watch English subtitles. Celebrate your progress, even small wins. 7. Positive thinking for English success. Confidence is built inside the mind. If you keep saying, "My English is bad," your brain believes it. But if you say, "I'm improving every day," your brain starts helping you. So repeat after me. I am confident. I am learning. I am growing. Your journey to English fluency is not a race. It's a beautiful adventure. Be patient, stay positive, and believe in your voice. Number 8. The mirror method. Speak like a native. One of the best ways to sound natural is by practicing in front of a mirror. Look at yourself and speak your answers with energy. Hello. My name is Nick. I love learning English every day. When you see yourself speaking, your confidence grows. You'll begin to smile more, stand taller, and sound more natural. 9. Shadowing practice. Example. Let's shadow this mini dialogue together. What do you do for work? I'm a teacher. Do you like teaching? Yes, I love helping students learn new things. That's great. What do you do in your free time? I enjoy reading and watching movies. Excellent. You just practiced 4 sentences with meaning, emotion, and rhythm. Train your mind, not just your mouth. When you answer questions, don't memorize. Understand. Feel the meaning of each sentence. Connect it with your real life. If you say, "I am a teacher," imagine your classroom. If you say, "I'd like pizza," imagine your favorite slice. Learning becomes fun when it's personal. Number 11. Never give up. Every fluent speaker you see today once said, "I can't speak English." But they kept going, so can you. Every mistake is not a failure. It's a lesson. Every word you learn today will shine tomorrow. Remember, don't compare your beginning to someone else's middle. You're on your own journey, and you're doing great. Number 12. Speak from the heart. English is not just grammar or vocabulary, it's emotion. It's how you express your heart to the world. So speak with joy. Speak with curiosity. Speak with love. And remember, your voice matters. You can inspire others with your story, your dreams, your confidence. Congratulations! You've explored over 150 real English questions and answers, each one helping you build your fluency step by step. Keep watching, keep repeating, and keep believing. Your dream of speaking fluent English is already becoming real, one sentence at a time. Stay positive, keep practicing, and remember, you are a confident English speaker in progress.